Greetings, life forms. My name is Michael. In this video, we will be covering how to install a Blender add-on that I've been putting together for 3D printers. Prior to installing or enabling this add-on, it's a good idea to have Curl, Slicer, or CuraEngine installed, one of these two, and this one. And if you want to make use of all of the features, be sure to have one of those print servers available. But in this video, I'm just going to cover installation and setting up for configuration. So without any further ado, I'm going to download that, override any pre-existing downloaded versions, then over in Blender, open up User Preferences. Be sure to have the Add Mesh Extra Objects add-on enabled. This add-on makes use of it for parenting to a named empty, anything that is exported and then re-imported. Then be sure to disable any previous versions if you have downloaded and installed a previous version. Then we can go to Install from File, and wherever the browser downloaded the latest version, and double-click and enable. The next bit before configuration is adding a new screen. You can call it whatever you like, but it will be addressed in later guides as 3D printing, so for consistency, you might as well start calling it that. The add-on can be found in the Object Mode toolbar, so if you don't see it, go ahead and hit T on your keyboard with your mouse in the 3D view, and don't be in Edit Mode or any of the other modes because it won't appear there. It's only assigned to the Object Mode at this point. Alright, hopefully some of you found that helpful. I will be covering how to configure and many of the other options that are now available due to this Blender add-on in later videos.